Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create arrows in Canva. Arrows are a great way to guide attention, highlight important details, and make our designs clearer and more engaging. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, if we want to create an arrow in a blank project, we just need to click on Elements. Then we type Arrow. As we can see, there are many arrows to choose from, pointing left, right, down, and more. We simply pick the arrow we want. We can also find frame arrows here. All we need to do is click the arrow we want to add. For example, we can select this one. We can copy and paste it to add more arrows to our design. There are plenty of arrow options available, so we just need to choose the one that works best for us. And that's how we create arrows in Canva. With arrows, we can add clear direction and structure to any design.